Doorbell cameras are meant to bring safety, but sometimes they catch moments nobody expected. From strange visitors to ridiculous surprises, these clips prove you never really know what's waiting at your doorstep.
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
A tiny dog sent a full-grown delivery man running and even leaping over a gate, all caught on the home's doorbell camera.
Oh no. You almost had me.
A woman entered her home quickly while a stranger followed behind, only to stop once he noticed the doorbell camera recording. In South Carolina, an alligator casually walked through a neighborhood, strolled up to a house, and even tried ringing the bell. Nobody was home, thankfully. In Pennsylvania, a bear stole a package containing dog food straight off a porch. Looks like the family's dog didn't get his meal that day. In 2021, a clown carrying an axe appeared in a doorbell recording. He didn't act, just stood there briefly before walking off. Creepy, but unexplained.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you positive? Are you sure?
What? Yeah? Are you sure? Who are you? Hey, I just had a couple questions and I just wanted to ask you.
Two masked guys posed as CPD at someone's door, but instead of getting inside, they were questioned hard and ended up walking away empty-handed.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Can I see a badge?
Someone held up their cat to the doorbell camera, and the cat let out the perfect meow right into the mic. A prankster with a TV on his head dropped vintage sets on porches in Virginia. Doorbell cameras caught him casually strolling up and leaving them. This man spent 3 hours licking a doorbell nonstop, staring into the camera every now and then. That unsettling gaze was the strangest part. A giant snake slithered across a woman's porch and stared straight into her Ring cam lens. She said she now checks her feed much more often. This Amazon driver rang the bell and immediately walked away twice. The owner, watching live on his phone, couldn't believe how quickly he bailed. A Tampa Bay homeowner checked his Ring camera only to see an alligator outside. After that, he made it a daily routine to check every morning. Imagine opening your door only to see two bears standing upright, pressing your bell like they own the place. They looked oddly normal, though. A blown-out tire rolled straight into a house, struck the doorbell, and rang it before landing in the yard still smoking, leaving the owner confused. At 4 a.m., the doorbell rang, and it turned out to be the family dog who had slipped out earlier and wanted to be let in.
Oh my God. Bear just fell over.
We just sent it to the phone.
A bear clawed at a chicken coop door while the owner, watching live on the doorbell, shouted until it finally backed away. This strange man in a hazmat suit roamed neighborhoods at night ringing bells. The unusual outfit and backpack made him look even more unsettling on video. At 3 a.m., this man knocked on a stranger's door while mumbling odd things. His wide-eyed look made it clear he wasn't in the right state.
Hey, man, big dog, I need you, big dog, boy. Look here. Boy, I need you bad, man. Shit, I need about 50, man. Goddamn. Shit. You know, you don't do that for me, big dog. I need about 50. Man, it's too late, man, in the night, man. Shit, man, when you off this shit, it ain't never too goddamn late. Don't turn on me now, big dog. I need you. Man, get off my boards, man. All right, big dog. I'll holler back at you, man. Shit. I'll be through here in the morning.
In the middle of the night, the bell alerted the owners, only to reveal a huge spider crawling right across the lens. Creepy surprise. In Texas, a cow wandered away from the farm and walked up to a random home, pressing its nose against the door like it belonged there. Officers disguised themselves as food delivery just to check inside a house, and the whole move was actually recorded from another apartment's doorbell camera.
DoorDash! It's DoorDash! I have a delivery. It's DoorDash? I have a delivery for 103.
This is G103.
Yeah, I have a delivery for you. Can you open the door? Hi. Yeah, hi. Is anyone else home?
No.
You don't live with anyone else here?
I live here.
Okay.
There's no one else here. You want to come and check?
Yeah, can you come in and check?
Go ahead.
All right, guys. You want to come in and clear?
A teacher was caught on a hallway camera knocking pizza out of a delivery man's hands. The video went viral, and she ended up losing her job.
Is she good? You can go good? Alright. Let's see it.
Why are you taking a picture of me?
Oh, so not? Why are you looking at me?
I'm waiting, man. What the fuck, bro? You dumb looking at me? Oh, come on, man.
Step inside, come on. Come on. Step inside. Step inside. Step inside, bro. So scared. She's not pizza. Step inside. Deliver the pizza. Step inside. What you want to do? Let's wait for the pizza.
A neighbor already known to the homeowners showed up at 3:30 a.m. asking strange questions. The timing made it even stranger, despite knowing her for months.
Hi, do you live here?
Yeah, I live here.
We're in bed.
Are you? Can I come up?
No, we're in bed.
Oh, you're inside. I thought you said you were outside. Do you have time to come over and help me with it? If you don't, I'm just going to have to wait tomorrow and go to Best Buy or something. So it's up to you. But I'm waiting for an MRI to be scheduled of my head since I probably broke my nose and shoved it up into my head.
Can we do this tomorrow? It's like 3:30 in the morning.
Yes, I'll get up and do that with you at 3:30 in the morning.
No, it's 3:30 in the morning right now. Can we do this tomorrow?
So I'll just wait. Okay. Let me know. I'll be happy to call someone.
Okay.
All right.
Es hora de beber. Es hora de beber. Es hora de dormir. Es hora de dormir. Es hora de robar.
Someone calling themselves the Box Demon dropped an empty package on this porch while wearing a handmade mask. The doorbell caught the bizarre little performance.
I am the Box Demon. I am the Box Demon. I believe this box is a gift for you.
A bailiff knocking at someone's door suddenly noticed his van rolling away down the road. He sprinted after it while the camera captured every second.
Hello?
Hi there, is that...
Who's asking?
my name's from Orbit, I'm here on behalf of Yorkshire Water.
Your van's rolling away.
Oh,
A man in a Hellfire Beast mask stood at this house's door holding a sign with a verse scaring the house owners. Police later said no crime was committed. A man tried to get into a car at 3 a.m., but the floodlight camera lit up and sent him running instantly. This woman was checking a bird's nest made above her floodlight camera when the robin suddenly swooped at her. Her startled scream said it all. Here, a pizza delivery guy dropped the pie on the ground, shoved it back in the box, and left. The customer only found out because of the camera. Late at night, a masked man asked to be let in. Once he left, another person followed close behind, confirming this was no normal visit. This woman showed up twice pretending to ring someone's bell, standing around before leaving. The homeowner still had no clue who she was. A Canadian boy was seen kissing a hockey stick left on the porch as tribute to Humboldt Broncos players. A moving private moment caught on camera. This sweet grandma left a message on her neighbor's doorbell camera inviting them over for taco night since she couldn't reach them on the phone.
We are having taco night, so if you like to eat, you just come over and you're welcome to get it. You hear me? I called it, you didn't answer because I think you're busy, but anyway, we are having taco night. Good night. Goodbye.
A teen found a purse in a cart and drove it to the owner's house. The good deed earned him a $3,000 reward. A man in Worcester was caught on a doorbell camera trying to open a locked door. The homeowner got an instant alert and stopped him in time. A Dallas woman was identified as the neighborhood's package thief after her own neighbors shared doorbell footage. Police later recovered piles of stolen items from her place. This guy stood at someone's door talking to himself in different voices. Watching it back on the doorbell camera really gave off unsettling vibes.
Yeah. Yeah. A dog attacked me. Yeah, I'm here. No, come here. Come here? Yeah. Hello? Oh, no. Oh.
A man disguised as a delivery worker checked a doorknob while holding a small package. Luckily, the house was locked, and he simply walked away. A FedEx delivery guy had to fight off porch pirates and still managed to hand the package directly to the rightful owner. Well, that's some great commitment.
Is this yours? Yeah, I thought it was.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's all
What
good.
happened?
I get them all the time.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry.
Did you?
Yeah, thank you.